Hello, we're unboxing this XVX PBT Pudding Keycaps. I got this one from Amazon. This is quite cheap. I forgot the price, but I'm gonna link the one in Amazon in the comments or in the description. Anyways, this came with two plastic containers, and I believe this set has a lot of extra keys for any type of keyboards. And I'm using this one. Oh, there you go, made in China, XVX. I'm planning to install this or put this into this RK87 keyboard that I have for almost 2 years. I have the HyperX pudding one, but this one, based on the reviews, it sounds and feels cheap. And let's see, yeah, it does. But that should do. Again, this is a budget keycap, and I think this will stay on this keyboard for quite some time. But anyways, enjoy the rest of the videos, guys. Bye bye.